welcome back to another video. So as you see here, I don't have nice little cakes. I have a big dough ball of yarn. This looks more like a donut. I was winding this yarn and I realized that it was not giving me the nice cake shape. And I thought it was just me that I don't know, I was doing something. Maybe because it was on a big skein of yarn and I was having to stop every so often to feed more yarn on the winder. So I thought maybe it was me. But no, I started to do it again and I got a little baby donut. So it is most definitely a problem with my winder. So I am going to attempt to open it. Based off of this screw, I'm going to need an X. So I'm going to go into here and look for an X. And no, I'm not looking for an X. I am happily married, but this one seems to fit. So this is the one we're going to go with. Oh, let's see if I can get in through here. Will I be able to get in through here? Maybe. We'll see. If not, we'll use the other one. Okay. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right. I'm going to remove this part. And if I remember correctly, you twist and then you pull out. So I'm going to, okay, wrong side. Okay, there we go. Don't lose this one. So this is on the inside. Oh, okay, I see the problem. Okay, so the problem right here is this gear is out of place. Ew, yarn boogers. Okay, no, these are not yarn boogers. It's just grease. So let me put the grease back in there. It is it's I guess a very well-oiled machine. So let me go get a paper towel real quick. So that's all the fuss from my yarn. So I'm gonna remove that. The two gears need to be right next to each other. So what I'm gonna have to do is unscrew it from the bottom. Oh, it's so greasy. Okay, it popped off just out of me moving it. So I'm just removing some of the fuss. I'm trying not to not remove a lot. Okay. There we go. Now the gears are gearing. Okay. So it wasn't too bad. Once I put it back in there, I think it should work now. I'm sorry for all the noise. A lot of the grease had already been caking and balling up in different parts of the little chamber. Well, hopefully that takes care of the problem. There's still plenty of grease in here, in these little teeth over here, and in this gear. So I'm not gonna do anything else with it. And this is the bottom screw. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it the other way. Okay. Okay. It's tight. It's in place. You see how they're supposed to move in there? Okay. Now we're going to put the top. Hang on. Okay. So this white part has two little grooves. I'm trying to show you right here. And this purple top has two little ridges that you just kind of have to match together. Push down the nice little screw. And all right, we're going to insert and twist. All right, now for the moment of truth. Did I fix it or do I have to buy a new one? All right, so I'll be right back. All right, let's go. Uh-oh. I did something. I did something right here. This one. I forgot to tighten it. Okay, here we go again. Oh, see, that whole donut really did a number on my yarn. But from the looks of it, it should work because I am already having the crisscross shape that I wasn't getting back when I was working last time. So, all right. No. Okay, so that's just going to be another issue, but that's something that I'm going to have to deal with. But if you can see right here, it looks like it started to work because I'm getting the nice little diamonds. So, yay, I fixed it. I don't have to buy another ball winder. All right, so thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for watching. Bye.